Mr. Bagga, what about all of these counters or the sectors that are actually dependent on what exactly happens when you talk about tariffs? Are you looking at any of those spaces, and do you think that IT, pharma, irrespective of what exactly happens when you talk about global scenario, they merit to buy?
See, IT, a lot will depend on the business climate in the US. You saw with the Accenture numbers, 8% of their global revenues come from the US government. 16% of American revenues are coming from the US government. There were media talk that Trump has issued letters to 10 big consultancies asking them to give a multi-year justification which a 15-year-old can understand. That was actually the words of the Trump administrator to these consultancies, that please justify what did you do, what was your impact, and don't give me a huge presentation. Put it as something a 15-year-old can understand. So there'll be a lot of pressure on these multi-billion-dollar deals that they were getting from the US government. Our players will have to see how the business sentiment recovers. Right now, most CEOs are spending time in tariff war rooms. Most government departments are spending time in tariff war rooms, trying to understand the impact of Trump policies. And that's a very difficult, very uncertain kind of a thing to do, because even Trump doesn't know by the end of the day what his policy will be. He might announce something in the morning, then somebody brings something else to his mind, and it could change totally. So in that kind of an uncertain environment, what gets hit is business sentiment, new order flow, new investments. So that is going to be an issue for our IT companies. But the good news is that as a couple of months down the line, if we can get a hold on this is how bad things could get, or this is a relief that things will not go this much, I think then you will start seeing our order flows coming in. And basically, the big thing, like Y2K, like the internet came in, I think the big thing is what does AI do for the normal company, normal client? How will AI get working? Today, a friend of mine shared, three queries that he put on AI about me, and most of them put me as a news reader. Nobody saw my 35 years of financial track record. And so I don't know how good that AI is in terms of what's dished out to us as normal consumers. But there are end users, nearly now, uh, uh, you know, thousands of end users that are being brought out. And those have to now be patched into the company's operations, into the company's MIS systems, data analysis, judgmental systems. All that area our companies will do very well. But I think it's got postponed because of the Trump administration and the policy uncertainty that they have unleashed.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.